Welcome. This video will guide you through properly cleaning the interior of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. We'll cover seats, screen, and trim care to keep your car looking its best and prevent damage. Using the correct cleaning methods is crucial for preserving the advanced materials in your Tesla, such as vegan leather and the touchscreen. The foundation of proper Tesla interior cleaning lies in using gentle methods and Tesla-approved products. Always use soft microfiber cloths for wiping surfaces. These gentle materials prevent scratches on delicate components. For cleaning solutions, opt for pH-neutral soapy water or the official Tesla interior cleaner. These are designed to be safe for your vehicle's materials. Avoid harmful products like ammonia, alcohol, or vinegar-based cleaners. These can damage adhesives, screens, and other sensitive components in your Tesla. Prevention is key. Regular dusting helps maintain your Tesla's interior and prevents the buildup of dirt and debris. Begin by vacuuming your Tesla's vegan leather seats regularly to remove loose debris and dirt. Use a soft brush attachment to gently lift dust without scratching the surface. For stains on the vegan leather, dampen a microfiber cloth with Tesla-approved cleaner. Gently blot the stain rather than rubbing, which could spread it or damage the material. After blotting, dry the area immediately with a clean, dry cloth to prevent moisture from soaking into the vegan leather. This helps maintain the material's integrity and prevents potential water spots. Vegan leather seats don't require conditioning like traditional leather. However, in sunny climates, consider UV protection to prevent fading from prolonged sunlight exposure. Always avoid harsh scrubbing or abrasive cleaners that could scratch or degrade the surface. Tesla's central touchscreen features an oleophobic coating that repels fingerprints and oils, helping maintain clarity and responsiveness. To clean the touchscreen properly, always power off the screen first to prevent accidental inputs during cleaning. Use only the Tesla screen cleaner, which includes a specialized microfiber cloth and solution designed specifically for the touchscreen's sensitive surface. Never use generic glass cleaners, paper towels, or any products containing ammonia, as these can scratch the oleophobic coating and damage the screen. A Model 3 owner in California damaged their screen by using a generic cleaner with ammonia, resulting in scratches and reduced responsiveness. This highlights the importance of using only Tesla-approved products. Following these guidelines will help preserve your touchscreen's clarity and functionality for years to come. Tesla interiors feature various trim materials, including plastic, aluminum, and fabric components that require specific care to maintain their appearance and longevity. For routine cleaning of plastic, aluminum, and fabric trims, use a damp microfiber cloth. The gentle fibers effectively remove dust and light dirt without scratching surfaces. Gently wipe the trim surfaces in circular motions, ensuring the cloth is only slightly damp to avoid excess moisture that could damage electronics or cause water spots. For stubborn marks or buildup, prepare a diluted mild soap solution using pH-neutral dish soap mixed with warm water. Apply sparingly to the cloth, not directly to the trim. After applying the solution, immediately buff the area with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any residue and restore the trim's shine. This prevents soap buildup that could dull the finish. Before using any cleaning solution on visible areas, always test it first on an inconspicuous spot to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration or damage to the trim material. Tesla owners in online communities have successfully used a paste made from baking soda and water to gently remove stubborn trim stains. Mix to a paste consistency, apply sparingly, and rinse thoroughly. Following these methods helps maintain your Tesla's interior trim in excellent condition, preserving both appearance and value over time. Tesla encourages DIY cleaning to cut costs and reduce environmental impact through their app's Vehicle Care module with video tutorials. However, professional detailing services specializing in Teslas, like Detail XP, offer advanced benefits such as ultrasonic cleaning for vegan leather seats. Ultrasonic cleaning uses high-frequency sound waves in a water and chemical solution to create cavitation bubbles that gently remove dirt from surfaces without harsh scrubbing. Consider professional detailing every 6 to 12 months to maintain your Tesla's resale value. Well-maintained interiors can increase resale value by up to 15%, and extend material life by 10 to 20%. One of the most common mistakes Tesla owners make is using incorrect cleaning products. This can cause 20 to 30% of interior wear in electric vehicles. To avoid this, always use only Tesla-approved products and cleaners. Another common mistake is using steam cleaners or high-pressure washers indoors, which can cause water damage to sensitive electronics. To avoid this, always stick to gentle manual cleaning methods as recommended in the Tesla service manual. To avoid common mistakes, always adhere to Tesla's recommended cleaning methods and products. If you're unsure about any cleaning procedure, consult the Tesla service manual or check the Vehicle Care module in the Tesla app for detailed guidance. The trend is shifting towards sustainable cleaning solutions, with Tesla promoting DIY methods via their app. Tesla promotes DIY methods through their app, encouraging owners to maintain their vehicles using eco-friendly approaches. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven cleaning reminders and potentially self-cleaning materials in future Tesla models. The market for EV-specific cleaners is projected to grow significantly. Remember to keep your interior clean and protected for a long-lasting and enjoyable Tesla ownership experience.